Okay, and second is I'm going to make a ice cream. I had already drawn the shape of the ice cream and I cut it. It's like in a bitten. Okay, so I'm going to stick this, okay, cross, and then going to keep googly eyes. In case if googly eyes is not there, we will do the googly eyes with paint only. Okay, all like again, like I had so many ideas, but the problem is things where they are, since like for Vedant also we keep using many things, all the pop sticks and everything, popsicle sticks and all, where it has gone, God only knows. Okay, so now like I have kept it in a cross angle, and then I'm going to do like the melting part, all these things in the side. Okay, and be careful with the Fevipond. It's very sticky. You can even stick your skin, okay, without, if somebody is talking, you may put them in their mouth and seal them up. I tell my kid when he talks so much, right, when he rambles so much, that is what I'm going to do. I kind of blackmail him all the time. Okay, so like this we are going to stick off this part of melting part. Okay, so I've made it like dewdrops and I've cut and kept it. Okay, so let's see, like this excess part and all we will glue it off. Oh yeah, I don't know, like my presentation nowadays is very sloppy. Please bear. Okay, from next week onwards, like it'll be more professional, I promise. Okay, so now next is like for the popsicle sticks. If you don't have, you may use paint to do the popsicle sticks. Okay, we are going to kind of use what is there in our hand, not like yeah, we need to have this popsicle stick, that stick, this stick and all. I don't believe in all those things. See, whatever you have, make use of that. Okay, so I have this color called as yellow ochre. I will take my brush, a small brush, and draw the popsicle stick. Okay, if you don't have brush, use your fingers, use your hand to do the coloring part. Okay, so this became the popsicle stick. Okay, now we are going to write the super quotes for this particular day. Okay, I'm using a marker. If you have sketch pen, use sketch pen. You may use glitter pen, anything. Okay, any color, whatever your favorite color is, Papa's favorite color is, all those things you may use. So I'm going to write Dad. Okay, you are the awesome, cool, brave, courageous, okay, whatever. Okay, so now since it is ice cream, we will draw coolest. We will write it as coolest quote. Okay, so then like you want to write your name, you're the coolest, daddy, dad. Okay, like this you may put it off. Okay, now if you don't have googly eyes, what you will do, take white color paint and a small brush, or else like if you have a like you can use your fingers also to make that round, or else you may use even the this markers back also for getting the perfect round. Okay, since like we have kids, right, like my fellow, when he was young, I used to keep that drishti kala tika, so I'm used to using my fingers often, like whenever I want to do the hole cut also. Okay, so now today I'm not doing that. I'm using brush and I'm making a round for the googly eyes. Okay, it has to dry. Over this you need to give the black color dots. Okay, now we will use black color paint or even marker to make the smiley mouth. Okay, smiley mouth, and then we will give pink color blush. Okay, the corner of the cheek we will give in pink color, kind of this. It's kind of blushy. Okay, so let this dries. But what you can do is you may wait for it to dry and then give the black color. Okay, so that is one thing. Okay, so this is one activity. Hope you guys are enjoying today. Okay, anything you can tell me. Be happy, welcoming. I don't know, I'm not reading it properly. I will read it. Okay, hello Cecilia, Vaishali, Chakrati. Yeah, I'm doing good, little bit. Yeah, be happy, sure. Watching. Okay, so this is one cool card. Okay, yeah. Okay, so this is one card and we are done. Okay, so we did that, like tie daddy's long legs, daddy being my best friend, and this daddy being the cool. Okay, so next is, you guys had an idea, I believe. So next we will go like this only for one more simple card, but it is saying more like he's my sunshine. Okay, so I'm going to do that card. I'll take away this. Okay, if you want to take it closer.